Hi, my name is Janine, and I'm so excited to introduce you to a project that we're working on that will help you reimagine the holidays.
My name is Heather Berry. I'm a licensed clinical social worker. And in this last year of working in mental health, I've been really aware of how hard it has been on so many of us. We're kind of coming into this holiday a little tired, a little fried, and exhausted, and probably with some disappointments. This year, more than any, we need some help and some support to reimagine, recreate a holiday to be remembered.
What we want to do is invite you to this workshop. It's coming up quickly. We want to make sure that you have plenty of time to put your visions, your plans, your thinking, your brainstorming, your creativity into building a plan and a set of activities that are going to be really meaningful for you and for your family.
Join us for brainstorming, sharing of ideas, learning resources of things that are out there that can create ways of being together when we're not physically together.